Hi everyone! Have you ever think about this logo and the plastic you used before? You should think about it because this type of logo tells us what type of packaging the product are using. The first recycling symbol PETE is the most commonly used plastic in consumer product. It can be recyclable again as food packaging. Soft drink bottles, mineral water bottles, fruit juice containers are made from this type of plastic. The second recycling symbol, HDPE, stands for High Density Polyethylene. It can be used to make milk jug, detergent and oil bottles, toys, and some plastic bags. The number 3 recycling symbol, V or PVC, stands for polyvinyl chloride. It's usually dubbed the poison plastic because it contains numerous toxins. However, it still can be made as food packaging such as clear plastic food wrapping and cooking oil bottles. The number 4 recycling symbol, LDPE, stands for low density polyethylene. Squeezable bottles are usually made from this type of packaging. The number 5 recycling symbol, PP, stands for polypropylene. It has several advantages such as tough, lightweight, and excellent heat-resistant quality. So it can be used to make plastic bottle tops, margarine and yogurt container, potato chips wrap, and also straw. The number 6 recycling symbol, PS, stands for polystyrene. It is an inexpensive, lightweight, and easily formed plastic. It can be used to make drinking cups and also egg cartons. The last recycling symbol, Others, is designed as a catch-all for polycarbonate, PC, and other plastic. So the reuse and recycling protocol are not standardized within this category. It can be used to make baby bottles, water cooler bottles, and car parts. Thank you. These are from our group. We are Group 3 Morning Section. Thank you.